Hello everyone! A Tesla factory robot reportedly attacked a worker and left them bleeding. This could become a new reality in the increasingly automated workplace. Let's discuss what happened. A recent report unveils disturbing details of a workplace accident at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, in 2021. According to documents reviewed by the Daily Mail's Matthew Phelan, a robot designed to move car parts reportedly grabbed a worker, causing an open wound and leaving a trail of blood on the factory floor. Despite the severity, the engineer did not take time off, as per the injury report. This incident adds to a series of work-related controversies involving Tesla. The company is currently in a labor dispute with union workers in Sweden, refusing to sign a collective bargaining agreement. In September, a federal lawsuit was filed accusing Tesla of discrimination against black employees at its Fremont, California factory. Additionally, a contractor, Antelmo Ramirez, died of heat stroke in September 2021 while working at an unshaded site at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin. Tesla has faced numerous lawsuits and organizing actions related to workplace policies and worker treatment in recent years. Marcy Goldstein-Gelb, co-executive director of the National Council for Occupational Safety and Health, highlighted Tesla's history of apparent negligence towards workers, with a long record of citations by OSHA. That's all the news for today. Follow for more and goodbye.